I'll take the one with the odd, furry green man. He seems friendly. How does it look? If it's so ugly, why am I wearing it? I'm not sure I understand why we are celebrating the holidays with large, ugly sweaters. No, it's mine. You were excited and you gave it to me, so it's mine. Now put on yours. Though I don't see how yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker, is a festive greeting. Die Hard doesn't sound like a Christmas movie, but yes, I would love to watch it with you after we decorate. What should we do first? I was wondering about that. What makes this a Christmas tree? Pines and spruces aren't indigenous to the Middle East. Does it have to be this kind? Would a fig tree not be more authentic? Why does it need a point on the top? Do we put something there? I look absolutely nothing like this. How can this be an angel? What? Why? This is nowhere near how angels are described in scripture. This has wings and only one set of them at that. Seraphs and cherubs have 3 and 2 sets respectively, but angels, my kin, have none. The boss specifically made sure as to not frighten you human folk. You think it's cute? Do you think it's cuter than me? I'm not pouting. Celestial beings do not pout. I'm just making a note to have a word with Caravaggio and Botticelli the next time I see them. This is all their fault. I don't care if pouting isn't in the Christmas spirit. Your plastic angels are a farce. And its wings wouldn't even fly properly. They're not big enough. I don't understand how I don't have spirit, but your ineffectual false idols do. What is that? Why do you have mistletoe? Alright, I think I may be coming around to your little traditions. Are there any more little sprigs of shrub I can hang around the house to compel you to kiss me? Unfortunate. And we only have the one mistletoe? I will think very strategically about where to put it then. What else is there to do? Are the majority of tasks around the tree? I'm not sure we should put this in the kitchen while we make hot chocolate. Not after what happened with the stove. Again, I do apologize for that. We shouldn't put it over the fire while we roast chestnuts either. It could catch and then no more Christmas kisses. That's a great idea. We'll put it here above the couch for while we watch those films. This is the most comfortable place to kiss as well. There. Perfect. Let's make sure it works. Excellent. Is it time for the films yet? We can make popcorn. I've been practicing. That's one of my favorite things your kind has invented. Oh, yes, first, Die Hard. Are you going to explain how it's a Christmas movie, or would you like me to watch and learn again? Is being set during the season the only prerequisite? I had gathered that almost all Christmas movies contained a certain amount of wholesome nostalgia, sentiment, and, well, jingling bells? Which I still don't understand how they differ from regular bells. All bells jingle, do they not? Why are we adding 2 syllables and all this fanfare to an instrument just to describe the sound it makes all year round? I'm done with the bells. For now. I reserve the right to express my confusion later. What's next? I'm sorry. How is a child being neglected and left to the mercy of burglars a fun holiday film? That's tragic. The fact that the child can defend himself with traps and makeshift weaponry does not make it less tragic. Why do all your movies have violence and people being threatened in them? What's next? Serial killing? You are so beautiful, and so sweet, and so baffling to me. I will never understand you or your kind. But I love you. You all the same. Yes, show me some of the children's movies you grew up with. Surely those must be fun and wholesome. This is animated? Stop motion animation. And this is made with clay. I am as old as the first star. I have seen your planet grow, and I will see it fall apart. I have witnessed things beyond your imagination. And these clay creatures may be the worst of them. I don't think I like them very much. If no one likes them, why are there so many of these films? Why are they considered children's classics? Your celebrations are so odd. Alright, yes, so this Santa Claus, you humans hold him in a very high regard. Yes, the children do. They look up to this magical Christmas delivery man and watch films about him? Are messengers in your world so revered? Why are they so afraid of him? He seems harmless. My love, what in my boss's name is a Krampus?